What is an arthroscopic surgery? Arthroscopic surgery is a keyhole surgery where we make a small cut in the knee joint, almost 1 centimeter cut, 1 or 2 such cuts, insert a scope into the joint, and through the scope we see the joint, and through other incision, small portal, we repair the ligaments, or we remove a small piece of a bone or whatever is there inside the joint if it is not required, or sometimes we can fix the fractures with the help of a arthroscope. It is commonly done for the knee joint ligament reconstruction, or a meniscus repair, or sometimes for the removal of the loose body, or for the shoulder joint for the repair of the tendon or a ligaments in case of a rotator cuff injury, or in dislocation of the shoulder joint, or in case of a ligament repair in the hip joint or in the ankle joint, ligament reconstruction, or for a removal of the loose bodies in the joint. The advantage is cut is small, recovery is faster, and complications are less.